Hello everyone, let me hope we are all fine. Today we are going to talk about word processing, and under word processing we have many applications we can use for word processing, but the main one is Microsoft Word. So we are going to focus on Microsoft Word. So let's get started on our part 2 on the lesson of word processing. Welcome to our lesson of part 2 under the introduction to word processing. So last time we talked about the introduction of word processing. We defined some terms that we all need to know as we start word processing. So today we are going to go straight away to our introduction to Microsoft Word. Introduction to Microsoft Word. It is going to be our part 2. So let us start immediately. Examples in this text use Microsoft Office Word 2010. For examples, Windows 7 using Microsoft Office Word 2011 for the Macintosh. However, is essentially the same. The ribbons, tabs, groups, and toolbars include most of the same headings and icons. Icons common to all applications appear on the ribbon. So we are going to talk about ribbons, menus, and keyboard commands. So we all know what ribbons are in Microsoft Word. If we don't know, we are going to go through it and we understand. Most word processing programs are menu driven, meaning that you can carry out commands by selecting icons or choosing from a menu of options. Menu driven programs provide you with two options: use the mouse to select items from the ribbon and command icons, or use keystroke combinations to issue the command. For example, the keystroke combinations that we have are Ctrl plus S, Ctrl plus X, Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus V. So the general rule is, if your hands are on the keyboard, use the mouse and ribbons options. For example, Ctrl plus Enter inserts hard page break in document in the Macintosh operating system. The Apple key, command key, which is next to spacebar, acts like the control key in the Windows system. So now I'm going to open our Word here, Microsoft Word. Mine is Office 2019 because I'm into the latest version. But in our examples here it is 10 because most of us are those who are starting. For starters, they can start with Microsoft Office 2010. It has everything. So this Microsoft Word is just updated. This 19, it is updated. So it has started. Blank document. Yes. So Ctrl plus Enter keyboard. That one inserts a hard page breaking document. So we can see Ctrl plus Enter. We have seen the page break. The page break, it has gone to another page because of Ctrl plus Enter. Ctrl plus Enter. Ctrl plus Enter, it goes to, when you press, let me write it for you here, Ctrl plus Enter, inserts a new page break. Ctrl plus Enter inserts a new page break. So starting Word, as with all Windows programs, there are many ways to start Word, including the following: click, start programs, look for MS Word and click on it. For example, now I'm going to close this one. Don't save. If I close that one, I come and click on the stats. All the programs are here, so you look for Word. You can type in Word, it will bring Word, and you click on it to start. Click the Word icon on the quick launcher area of the taskbar if it appears. Click the Word icon on the quick launcher area of the taskbar if it appears. Yes, mine it is here. So click when you click the icon, so you only click the icon if it appears on the taskbar. So click the Windows key plus R, it brings a dialog box or another small window. You type in WinWord and click the enter key. So when you click Windows key plus R, you type in WinWord and you press OK, it will launch Word Office 2019. If you have a document that's near, let's say on your desktop, and it is in Word, click on it and open it. After it opens, you press the Ctrl plus N keys on your keyboard for a new document. Let me check my desktop. Yes, I have one here. You click on that one, it opens as well. So once it opens, you press Ctrl New for a new document. You can see it has opened a new document. So let me remove them. So creating a new document. After starting Word, a new blank document opens by default. At this point, you can simply type and format the text as desired. Two methods to create a new document once you open Word follow. Click the File tab and then New. Let me open my Word, and we work it together. We work it out together. So now mine, we can see mine here. In case I open this one, I come and click on the File tab and I tap on New. It will take me to a new blank document. So add the new document symbol to the quick access toolbar. Click the File tab, choose Options, Quick Access Toolbar, New, Add, and OK. Alternatively, you can click the arrow to the right of the quick access toolbar. Click New. Now the new document button shows on the quick access toolbar. Click the new document button and new document window appears. So how do we do that? Now this is the arrow. Customize. You can see New, and the new blank document window appears. So when I do click on it, it will take me to a new window. So I can also click File, Options, Quick Access Toolbar. Quick Access Toolbar, and I look for New. I can click. Now let me first reset it. Yes. So you click on New File and you add it up here and you press OK. So it is still appears there. That is how we put the new blank document. In case you typed something and you want another document, you just come here and say click on new document, or you can come and tap the insert button, the insert tab, and you say blank document, and it will also, this is blank page. Yeah, it will just bring a blank page. So for each document, Word presents a screen with a ribbon at the top, a blank window or document workplace in the center, a scroll bar on the right side, and a status bar on the bottom. For each document, Word presents a screen with the ribbon at the top. This is the ribbon at the top, ribbon at the top. So blank for every document, Word presents a ribbon at the top. We saw a blank window or a document workplace in the center. So this is a blank window or a document workplace. It is in the center, just like we can see. It is in the center. A scroll bar on the right side and a status bar on the bottom. We can see a scroll bar. This is the scroll bar, and the status bar at the bottom. Now the status is telling you pages you have used, words you have used, which modes are you in. Are you in the read mode, print layout mode, or web layout? You can as well zoom out and zoom in. So a blinking vertical bar or insertion point marker represents the position of the cursor in the document. So that blinking vertical bar, which is the blinking vertical bar, or the insertional point. The insertional point marker. This is the insertional point marker. You can see when you click there, you're going to be able to type. You will be able to type anything. This insertional point marker represents the position of the cursor in the document. The cursor appears at the beginning of the document. That one we saw. Our cursor appears at the beginning of the document. Our cursor appears at the beginning of the document. Opening a previously saved document. When changes or additions are necessary in a document, several options are available for opening the document again after you saved it. First, if the application is not open, start Word and click the File tab. If the application is not open, for example, my application wasn't open. Let's say my application wasn't open. So they have told us to start Word and click the File tab. Start Word and click the File tab. Yes, so when you start Word, you click the File tab, a list of recent documents appears, and click the desired document. So this is the list of recent. As you can see, the word recent is here. Today installation, introduction to Word, my subscription link, introduction to word processing. These are all the recent files. You click on one of them and they will open. It will open the one you have clicked on. Start Word. Click the File tab and choose Open. The Open dialog box appears with a list of documents. Note that you can also choose Recently Changed. This choice brings up a complete list that includes the name of each document as well as its size, type, and date modified. So you come on File when you have opened and you click Open. Just like you can see, the name of the documents, the time and the dates it was modified when you click Open. So you can choose which document you want. So go to the location of the file and double click the file you want to open. So in this case, you go and open the file manager. You want the file, it is on desktop. You click on desktop and you open the file that you want. You open the file that you want. In case I want this one, I open it. In case I want this one, I open it. I open any file that I want. Now you can see it is open. It is open. So if Word is open, click the File tab and Recent. A list of recent documents appears. If the file is not in the list of recent documents, click the Open button in File tab. The Open dialog box appears, allowing you to search and select the file, just like here in case your Word is open. So that is it for part 2 of Introduction to Word Processing. So today we have talked about Introduction to Microsoft Word. Introduction to Microsoft Word, how we can open our documents. We have seen that once you open your document, it has what we call a ribbon, it has what we call a cursor, it has what we call a working area, it has everything that we didn't know, now we know. The scroll bar. So when we come back, we are going to talk about the ribbon in Word. As you can see this ribbon, has a lot of stuff to talk about. There is the insert, design, layout, mailings. So when we come back, we are going to talk about this in our part 3 of this lesson. So thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Remember to subscribe on my YouTube channel. There is a link that we can click on under the description of this video. So feel free to ask any question in case you did not understand anything under the comments below. Thank you so much for your time. View more videos. Subscribe on my YouTube channel for more videos. Have a blessed day.